Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and an overview of the JCB MS210 SB crosscut miter saw. So this was a bit of an impulse purchase for me. I've been meaning to upgrade my cheap chop saw for quite a while. Found myself in B&Q and I saw this on sale in June 2024 for £120. I thought that looked like a pretty good deal. Let's get into this and see what we think and find out if I got a good deal or not. So as you can see on the box here, this saw comes with a 210mm blade, has a laser guide and a max cut depth of 70mm. So the first thing that we see when we open the box is the instructions. I'll make sure to have a detailed read through of those later. Now that's out of the way, we have a nice little work holding clamp here to keep everything tight. Now I probably won't use this a huge amount, but it may be useful at some point. We then have a pair of L-shaped brackets which help with work holding and extending out the fence when making cuts on longer pieces. And then you have the brackets that these mount onto. You also get what looks like a massive shiv, which you can insert and tighten everything down. And last up is this JCB branded dust collection bag. Once again, something I probably won't be using, as this will have a permanent home in my workshop and will end up being connected to a dust collector. But it's there and has a little spring mechanism to keep everything locked on, and who doesn't love trying to shake out a little bag of sawdust every 5 minutes? So, here she is. There's not very much to do out the box at all, it's pretty much good to go. If you are using the work holders, you just need to mount them to the side by using these little holes. There's a screw to adjust the distance of the holders, and the mount can be screwed in by another screw just here. The only thing left to do is adding the dust collection bag, if you want, or just hook it up to dust collection. To adjust the cut angle, there's a really easy triggering mechanism that allows you to make quick adjustments. There are really solid clicks at 0, 15, 22.5, 30 and 45 degrees. To adjust the vertical angle, there's this really large, easy to grab screw where you can loosen off and tilt the blade to make compound cuts. I really like the safety switch that stops the saw going off unexpectedly. Some saws that I've used in the past have awkward mechanisms for this. This saw just has a small switch that will pretty much engage as long as you're holding the saw properly and doesn't get in the way or require you to do too much to activate. This saw also comes with a depth stop feature, allowing you to make partial cuts or to clear out material quickly for things like half lap joints. This is managed by this small thumb screw. You turn the screw to set your depth, and when the screw hits this piece of metal, it stops the saw going all the way through. It's a useful feature, but it is quite hard to get your hands on that thumb screw, so it could definitely do with something a bit bigger to get hold of. And as you see, you can move that small piece of metal out of the way to quickly revert back to cutting full depth, and move it back to then do partial cuts again.
So there you have it. That's my overview of this compact miter saw. Overall, really happy with the compact size and really solid build quality. So look forward to using this for many years to come. Thanks for making it through to the end of this video. On this channel, I review woodworking tools, take you through the process of upgrading my tiny workshop, and ultimately build guitars from scratch. So if that sounds like something that might be of interest to you, then please do drop a like and a subscribe below, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.